Good afternoon, this is Barry Shawns. I'm filming at Easy Way Electronics of Langdon, North Dakota. We got in a bunch of Cerwin Vega mobile products for car audio. I'm going to show you a 4-gauge amplifier installation kit and some RCA cables. So this is the power cable and ground. It is true 4-gauge, true spec wire, which means you get the correct amount of copper inside. It's not overrated. It's also not underrated. I'll actually give a quick overview of everything else in the kit. This is the 17-foot cable, remote turn-on wire. This is 16-gauge speaker wire. One side is square and the other is round. And you can use this red stripe so you remember which side is positive. I really like that. Got some more miscellaneous connectors and the wire boots here. And we got a really compact A&L fuse holder. And we have inserts here so you can take that out and fit in 1/0 wire. And you get a really big, beefy set screw. So, looking forward to installing this. We're doing the equipment I've shown so far in one vehicle. It's a job upcoming this month. We're going to do the Vega series RCAs. That's their mid-level. And just want to make everything match. And we have more goodies to show you, so keep watching our videos.